this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a collab entry. So this is the last Sunday of the month, and I am showing you what I'm going to use. So this month we are supposed to use a birdhouse and alter it. So these are my birdhouses. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to alter these. So you're going to be able to check mine out and check out the ladies that are in this collab. Guaranteed they're going to do something outside of the box. I have no idea, but it's going to be fun, I'm sure. We all have different types of birdhouses, so it's going to be interesting. So you're going to see Donna. Her name is Donna_K_Crafts on Instagram. And then you have Lisa, Miss Little Scrappy. You have Susan, Susie Q, can't talk, Susie Q 21 Craft. I don't know, my mind just went blank. And then you have Sheba for Sheba Craft, excuse me. But anyway, they are in the link below. Guaranteed you'd like to go check out their channels. Check out all of their channels and see what they do, because they inspire me. I love crafting with these ladies. They are so talented, and they always think outside of the box. So, and of course, everybody has Instagram, so that they will have those on this page as well. Check them out and definitely give Donna some love. She's so talented. She just doesn't have Instagram. So anyway, don't know quite yet what I'm going to do, but when I come back, you will see. So I'm just filming this so you can see what they look like in their natural state. And then I will come back. Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So glad you stopped by today, because today is the last Sunday of the month and we are doing a collab. So please check out all the other crafty ladies that are in this collab. They are so super talented. I am so inspired by them all the time, and they challenge me, and we have such a ball together. So today is the mixed media collab. So we have a theme each month, and this month we have birdhouses. So we have to do something mixed media related to the birdhouses. So I'm going to show you what I made. But before you do anything else, hopefully you'll like and subscribe to this channel. And I definitely want you to go check out everybody else. You can tell them Dawn sent you. So go out to Susan's channel, Susie Q Crafter 21. And of course, their links will be below. Sheba from Sheba Crafts. And then you have so you have Sheba from Sheba Finds, and then you will have Donna from Donna_K_Crafts. And she's on Instagram. She doesn't have a channel. And of course, Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy, who also has a challenge going on. So please check out her challenge. She's got a fun challenge going on and nice giveaway. So check out Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy as well. So I'm going to show you what I used, and I am filming mine in advance because I'm going on vacation. So I had to start and get mine done before I left 2 weeks ago to go on vacation. So I didn't have time to do everything I wanted to do, but I did pretty much what I wanted. So these are some of the bling that I used. The stencil, and as you can see, I didn't get a chance to get off my modeling paste. Some gold. I used some gesso. My gel medium. I used these paints, which I think it's Vicky Boo. I just forgot. Yeah. So this is blueberry pie. I think that's what it is. I love these. These are pretty colors. And this is sugar strawberry. This is cherry tart. And this is juicy pear. Nice bright colors that you don't always get, especially for mixed media. Some white paint. Some popsicle sticks. Some Dollar Tree napkins. And I used some wood pieces that I painted. So that's, oh, my bad. And I also used, some moss. Which, let me just say something about these Dollar Tree moss. This stuff gets highly statically charged. And I was sitting there and they just started jumping up off of my table onto my shirt. Like, be prepared for that, because that can like freak you out if you see that happening. And they are messy. But yeah, I was just tripping when I saw them just actually literally just popping up without being touched. So that was kind of freaky. So that's the stuff that I used. And now I'm going to show you what I made. So first, I just took a piece of cardboard and I put a napkin on. See, it's shredding. See all this moss. Oh, I can't wait to get this video over with so I can vacuum. Okay, so I decided to go primary colors. I wanted beach theme to go along with my, I didn't attach this, but then I wanted to go look for some sand, and I didn't want to keep going to too many Dollar Trees because I got to get packing and get out of here. So I just went to one. They didn't have any. I said, forget it. I'm not going to add any sand, which is what I was going to do. I got moss up here, so that's good enough. So I will show you the first one and what I did. So this is one of those little fairy stands for the 3-pack. All 3 of them have one of those. There's Whitbird. There's a doorbell. And of course I painted this, that strawberry sugar and that white shell. And then this one says Life's a Beach, and that leaf right there. And I put moss all the way around. I put bling right here. I added this bird to the sign. And then this right here, I took the napkin and I fussy cut out that flower. Even all over here. Which fussy cutting out a napkin is not easy. But if you have the right scissors, it will help. You can use water and a whole bunch of other techniques. And I'm familiar with all of those, but I wanted it to be cut out dry. And these scissors are the best for fussy cutting because they are sharp at the tip. You need scissors that can cut at the tip, not down here. And that's part of the problem why people hate fussy cutting, because you have the wrong scissors. But these, particularly for this job, really came in handy. But generally cutting napkins is difficult, so I kept the second layer on while I was cutting, then took it off, and then I adhered up there. So that is my first one. Oh, I'm sorry, and I used popsicle sticks to extend to make this porch, because this is a Dollar Tree birdhouse. So I use these popsicles to make a little porch. I wanted to do an extension, so that's that one. Now on this one, I used that same napkin. No, I'm sorry, I used another napkin, the other Dollar Tree napkin. And I used some wood frames. They were actually had like a hanging piece on. I took them off, sanded it down, and then I painted them. And I fussy cut out that image and that image to make them look like frames. And I adhered it to the frame first, and then I adhered it up here with my matte medium. So I just wanted to look like framed images. But yeah, that's another way you can do with your napkins, is you can take out pieces of it and make it look like that. So that's what I did. So on the back of this one, I put popsicle sticks, and I just made like a little fence in the back, if you can see that. Just for some dimension, I added a shell that was painted, a hibiscus flower, and that says Sun, Sand, and Sea. And of course, pictures will be up on my Instagram. You see all the moss. And then I added this red butterfly, and that's another little flower thing from the fairy. And that one right here is another one. And then on the, you see that there, that shell and the bird. I wanted to put some sand down here, which I think would really would have topped it off, but I just don't have time. I have to leave. So, but the sand on it, I think would really add it off. Or I was going to put some up here as well. And then I added just a little bit of bling on the front, just to top it off. And then my last one, and you can see the colors. I love the vibrant colors. You know, sometimes you got to get away from pastels and try something different. I put the popsicle sticks on the top of this one to make it look like a roof, if you can see those popsicle sticks right there. And so this one is another element that I took out of the napkin, and I just used my gel medium to adhere it up there, and it says, "More sunshine, please." And I took the popsicle sticks and made another porch on this one. And then I put some of the leaves that I painted on the sides, and then hibiscus on the back, and I put some bling on the front. I used the modern place with the stencil, which I hadn't really done that, but I did. And then the sunshine, and I meant to put a little bling right there for the eye and sunshine. 2 birds there, and the little palm trees. Added a little bird and a leaf, and that is my third. And I just had them all sitting up here. I was going to adhere them, but then I decided, just in case I might not want to keep them together, I decided not to. But anyway, so that is what I made. I thought it came out really cute and fun, very beachy theme. Like I said, I was going to get the sand and probably a couple little shells and crush around the sides, but And that would have been so beautiful to top it off. But if I come back in time, I will videotape this because I'm coming back home the weekend that this is due, and I might have jet lag. So that's why I'm like, I'm doing it early. But if I do, then I would add videotape this part and add the other part in with the sand. So anyway, hopefully you think they are cute, because I think they are adorable, and I love the beachy colors. So go and check out my friends' videos and see what they came up creatively. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.